There's a chip shortage going on. Oh, no! You're the internal IT person. We're the MSP. We're not out to take your job. This is our latest in how to MSP-proof your job. Today we're talking chip shortages. We've got another video that's going on earlier this week, Tuesday, talking about it from the CEO perspective. But here's the thing. We've talked about the whole manufacturing, and it started with the pandemic, and there's all sorts of other issues going on. But the bottom line is the industry is really backlogged, and we're starting to see that in terms of purchasing laptops, desktops, mobile devices, phones, servers, everything with a chip in it, including cars. But here's the thing. This actually can also and does include stuff you might have support contracts on. So you may have laptops or desktops or even servers that you think your vendor is going to support if you have a problem, but they may have problems getting their spare parts. So you may be in situations where you have an outage, and even though you have a service contract, you're still down for a period of time. So here's the suggestion I give you. Spares. Start purchasing, especially for desktops or laptops, for critical. Have a couple of spare similar devices on hand. They're not that ridiculously expensive. You'll probably need them anyway. And that way, if there is an outage, you can quickly put the new puppy in place, replace it. You still have to go through the configuration. But that way, if you're screwed by all of the shortages and the delays, you've got a solution. And that's what management looks for you to have the solution ahead of time. Not all MSPs want your job. Simplex IT, we have co-managed IT services or co-meds. Want to know more? DM me or email bob@simplex-it.com. I'll send you a copy of my book. I don't want your job. Is co-managed IT services the right fit for you? Tell me how you're preparing for the chip shortage.